Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can find out the total storage space used by movie and TV apps on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, go down and tap on battery and device care. Next, you want to go down and tap on storage. And then in storage, go up here and tap on the option key, then tap on advanced. In advanced, you want to go and tap on movie and TV apps. Now out here, if you look on the right hand side, it gives you a total storage space being used by movie and TV apps. On my phone at the moment, it is showing 312 megabytes. If we tap on movie and TV apps, it will give you a breakdown of all the apps that has used up the storage space in this category. And I've got YouTube here, 166 megabyte. YouTube Studio uses up 50.12 megabyte, and Google TV uses up 46.39 megabytes. And that's it. So here you can tap on the home key to return to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.